Ain't shady, baby, I'm hot like the prodigal son. Big up Bartolini, meeny, miny, mo, and flower, you're the chosen one. Well, your left hand's free, and your right.
Not bad. That's the fastest way to unload it, I thought. Tristan bought a jet ski, and this one's got a couple parts on it that we're gonna snag off of it. So yeah, we bought jet skis, boys. About to hit the old lake this weekend.
Gas cap, yeah, fucking went flying.
Why?
Ooh, but Tristan unscrewed it.
Y'all just gonna sit there and watch or do something? Table Rock Lake with the boys. Drake bought that bitch yesterday with another ski and a trailer for 900 bucks. Didn't run. Tristan sprayed a fuck ton of ether into that thing. Backfired, sounded like a 30-30. Now it runs fine. So I don't know what that was all about. Probably like a mouse nest or something in the exhaust. But she's mint. This little girl's obviously mint. She's always been mint. Put a new fucking pump and wear ring in her, so she's good. This is a ripper right here. So mine. She's got them custom. Those are actually dirt bike handlebars, but they I'll tell you, I can swing the so with those bad boys. We got like 18 vehicles in there. What the hell, dude? That's right, down there we got the Sea-Doo Sportster with the 987 in it. I don't know if the Jeep's gonna pull it the entire way, but it's like a 3-hour drive. So we're gonna head down there in the Chummins. You guys are gonna head down there tomorrow. These guys are gonna head down there tomorrow, not you guys. You guys are gonna sit there on your phone watching this shit.
No, it's clean.
Because that's sick. Are we all loaded? Yeah? Good job. What a great girlfriend. I didn't have to do nothing.
Look at her just standing there. She doesn't know what to do. She don't know what to do right now.
What time is it? What time is it?
7, almost 8, 7:30.
Almost 7.
Yeah, 7:30.
7:30. We were supposed to leave at like 4:30.
We're getting there about 10:30.
Yeah, we're gonna get there a little late. It's all right. It's all right though.
Parents already out there?
I don't fucking know. I know our grandparents are. I'll go grab the gimbal and shit real fast. I'll give it to you so you can hit some fire shots. Fire shots, baby. All right, me and the boys. Gotta have that duct tape, baby. Ooh, this is that good stuff. We're gonna try just that for today instead of having the whole. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we're out here at Table Rock Lake. Brought the skis. Mine fucked up. Had to pull it all apart in the garage out here last night. Rebuilt my pump. Took it out there today. It rips. All right. Now we're gonna go to VP gas station because Buddy's ski isn't doing too hot. Goes like a solid 4 mile an hour and that's it. So we're gonna go to the VP gas station, grab a couple bottles of seafoam or something because I don't really feel like pulling carbs apart today. But like, if we have to tonight, we have to tonight. It is what it is. Let's roll. Dude, I'm about to cough up a lung, dude. I need something to drink. We got anything to drink back here?
Yeah, dude. A whole jug, bro.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Oh, whose water is this?
It's mine. It's just thrown in the outside because I used to clean my hands off of the water. But the water inside's clean.
Putting your fingers in that shit?
No.
I feel like a little kid, dude. When they grab a cup with both hands, they go.
Oh my god, bro.
That's just gas. I love water. It's probably gonna be mad I got water all over her car. It's just the cruise, bro. It's like when people get SRT 4s, it's just a neon, bro.
Why did I grab that?
It's literally all it is. Don't chalk it up. It's just the neon.
Hold on tight, boys. We fucking cooking in this motherfucker.
Yeah, dude, this curve right here, dude. We're doing
Oh, I know, dude. Yep, I think I'm growing up a little bit. Having more fun on a boat than I am a jet ski. Jet ski's fun and all, but like it's a workout. Just relaxing on the boat, you know, out here in the open water. Just relaxing, you know? It doesn't get much better than this. skillet.
Need my screwdriver.
Yeah.
Hey, you gotta hit the weight right there.
I can't, dude. That's too close. Water Patrol will be all over us.
I tackle details of the room of these mirrors. My right hand grip on his coat, single action on me. Well, your left hand's free, and your right hand grip with another left hand. Watch his right hand slip towards his gun. N-E-O-O-M-G-G whiz girl, you're the one for me. Though your man's bigger than I am, all my days he disagrees. Speak easy.
I love fishing. This is so much fun. You like come out here, you let your pole out and you just sit. Dude, it's like the most fun I've probably ever had in my entire life. Dude, it's just I can see why people do this all the time. It's just so much fun. Like, look at this. Like, nothing's happening right now. Talk about a ton of fun. There's nothing more I'd rather be doing with my life right now than just sitting here. What are you doing? Scary story time. There's absolutely nothing else I'd rather be doing with my life right now than sitting here with my pole, just sitting here.
And the boys.
And the boys, yeah. It is. I can totally see why people do this all the time. It is so much fun. This is easily the best thing I've ever done in my entire life, without a doubt.
Yeah, why?
Bro,
It takes forever to get
fucking
catfish.
bite, dude. How hard is it? Do I have to like let the line out more?
Man, that's a pretty half moon tonight.
Let me zoom in on that. Oh, wait, focus. Oh yeah.
A very pretty half moon, I'd say. Oh, fuck fishing, dude. This shit sucks. This is so boring.
Well, my left hand's free. Well, my left hand's free. Ain't shady, baby, come on, like the prodigal son. Bigger battle, eeny, meeny, miny, moe, and flower, you're the chosen one. Well, your left hand's free. Well, my left hand's free.
I don't really need a box. I'm good.
You guys need boxes?
No, I'm good.
Yeah.
Falling out of my pocket.
You try to keep them warm.
Yeah, exactly. No, I'm good. I'm good.
Danny, what did you do to him? Danny, what did you do to him? Did you see him shove the french fries in his pocket?
$1 or what's ever in my left pocket.
I'll go with the pocket. Bro, no way.
I gotta get rid of all these pocket fries.
This whole time it's just trying.
Oh, this feels so much better.
Dude, that was a solid flip. I'm not gonna lie.
Wasn't too bad, huh? Yeah, dude, that's like 40 feet off of the water.
Now you gotta redo it.
That's funny. That's why you don't let retards drive your boat. That's funny. We were coming in a little hot. I'm like, dude, shut it off, shut it off, shut it off. He's like, whoa!
The paint that came off?
Yeah, I guess so. That was funny. You never know what's gonna happen. I wish we got that. Would have got that on video.
Okay, let's go.
Well, my left hand's free. Well, my left hand's free. Well, my left hand's free.
It does get hot.